Hey there, this is Captain Chris with Poker Runs of America. And today we're in Washington, North Carolina at Donzi Marine's world headquarters. We're taking a look at the 38 ZRC. I'm with Brett with Donzi Marine, and we're going to walk through this boat and tell you exactly how she's built, what you can expect, and why you need this boat. So I knew in the original version the dash was laid out a little bit differently. You had talked about that you had actually used a sports car design to create this new dash. Talk to me a little bit about that.
So we still have the gauges that people like, kind of like a Ferrari look. You have the gauges, and then we modernize everything. You have the Garmin 8610. You have a 502 vessel view for the passenger in case anything goes wrong. The driver can't look at it, so you go to your passenger, and they can tell you what's going on, scroll through it. The throttles are now in the middle. I know the iterations of this boat, I saw the original boats. You had throttles on the right, steering was on the left, helm was on the left for racing. This boat isn't focused on racing really anymore. It's a fun poker run boat. So I moved the throttles to the middle of the center console. So if you have like an inexperienced driver, you can have them steering while the passenger throttles, things like that. So it's changing it from a race boat to a very fast pleasure boat.
Yeah, and there's no question that this boat is definitely a fast pleasure boat.
Yeah.
This is the latest model of this boat that you guys have ever built. Is that true?
From what I've heard, yes. Dry weight we weighed both the deck and hull separately when it got out of lamination, and it was right around 5,500 pounds.
It's hard to believe that we're actually talking about only 10 or 11,000 pounds when you actually add the motors to that. I mean, that's a screaming rocket if you really think about it, because you're talking about a little bit of seating, some motors, and no cabin. I mean, that's incredible when you start thinking about the weight to rate issue that you guys have created.
Correct, especially with our new engine package we offer. So this boat right here has twin 860s staggered. We offer in 565s. So this is really the big engine package. I mean, all your weight in the boat, besides your hull and deck, is right where we're sitting, right behind us. So there's really nothing to the boat. It's just you get in and you go fast.
That's it. So it sounds like this is the perfect boat if you want to hit the poker run circuit. So speaking of hitting the poker run circuit, let's see what she can do when we get out on the water. There's no question about it. Donzi Marine has not only redesigned and redeveloped a lightweight boat that was designed for racing and taking it for pleasure, but this is one of those boats that you're definitely going to want to see on the poker run circuit. If you're not in it, you're going to want to be. I'm Captain Chris, and I will see you on the water.